Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your username on Telegram desktop or PC. So go to your Telegram application, so type here Telegram on the search box. Then you can see Telegram desktop. You must install in your PC, otherwise it's not possible. And you can see this is the interface of Telegram. So what you need to do, you need to click here, three line left top corner on your screen, and then click the settings option. Then again here you can see my account, click my account, and the last option, the third option, username. So click on here, so you can change your username. I repeat, this name will be unique, so I'm just going to 24 YouTube. Okay, so this username is available. When you see the green text, then you can continue or save. So simply click on the save, and you can see your username perfectly added here. So if you want to share your username to any user, and they can find your account through this username. So this way you can change your username. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.